What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the background of your Chrome browser. So first of all, what you need to do is to go bottom right. Here you will have a customized Chrome button. We're gonna click on it, and now as you can see it opened a new tab, and here we can change the theme of our browser. Like so, now it's green. We can change the light. Now it's white, it's with a white background. Also here we can change the colors. We're gonna let it on dark for now. Let's change the theme of it. We can choose from a theme from Google Chrome. Let's put it this one, for example, or this one, or which one do you like? Let's go from for universe one. This is with Jupiter. This one is from satellite, and you have many options right here. I'm gonna choose, I think, the Jupiter one. It looks pretty cool for me. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.